All right, guys, I have cussed this ground blind for the last 30 minutes trying to get it taken apart. It goes up super easy, but whenever you got to take it down, you're twisting it and turning it and trying to fold it over and do all. If you're watching this video, you're probably going, yep, I just tried to do that for the last 20 minutes myself. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to take this thing down. Now, it took calling a friend of mine that I last hunted with one. I watched him take it down in like 20 seconds and I said, what did you do different to make it go down so easy? He said, man, you got to take it down from within the ground blind. You can do it from the outside, but you're gonna end up like fighting yourself trying to do it. So I'm gonna show you how to do it the quickest, easiest way to take down a ground blind from within the blind. So let's go do it. All right, so we're good here. Now, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is pull the center down, okay? You're gonna have to grab both bars and pull it straight down. All right, make sure you take your chairs out, your cameras, your guns, everything out of the blind. It should just be you and the blind. The next thing you're gonna do is start either on the left or the right-hand side and work your way around. So if you start on the left, you go left, center, right, right, center, left, whatever you wanna do. Once you do that, you're gonna see that it all folds together. All the little hubs fold together. Once you have them together, you're gonna pull the back towards the hubs, and it's all just gonna kind of flip right over you and fold right down to go in the case. So I'm gonna move the camera so you can see it from the outside. We're gonna start with the center top hub. Pull that straight down. Once the top is down, we're gonna go with the left side, center, right side, and let it all fold together. You want all center hubs to come together. All right, once it's together, you're gonna take the back and kind of flip it over your head and break down the back at the same time. Fold that over. And you're ready to move ground blinds. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple. If you're having trouble, I recommend giving it a try. If you like the content that you saw today, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, because there'll be more.